Now I'm going to show you how to set up your PAM Studio. Now go to options, video options, then use DVX. If you don't have DVX, then use Microsoft Video One. Then you have DVX, then quality. It should be 60 to work, then 30, 50, 20. Then should be here. Then this one should be 4. Then 256. Then okay. Okay. Then now record microphone. Then options. Then use PCM. Choose compress at then PCM. Okay. Okay. Then fix region or if you're full screen, full screen. Then now keyboard shortcuts. Then F8, F9, F10. Then cursor options. If you have like this one to like mine's, choose color, then okay. Then that's all.